There is nothing better than waking up, making a hot coffee, and remembering that you've got a batch of these sourdough breakfast cookies ready to go. They're hearty, wholesome, and honestly, one of my favourite things to have waiting in the kitchen. In a bowl, cream together butter, sugar, and honey. I've just used a whisk to keep this super quick and easy. Add your sourdough starter and mix well, and then stir through an egg and a splash of vanilla. Now pile in all your dry ingredients: flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, plus rolled oats, coconut seeds, dried fruits, and nuts. And of course, you can customize these add-ins based on your taste or simply what's in your pantry. At this point, you can choose to ferment the cookie dough in the fridge for up to 24 hours or shape and bake right away. I like to make my cookies really big, about 100 grams each, and press them down slightly on the tray. You'll need to bake them for around 30 minutes until golden. They'll be soft when they come out, but they crisp up as they cool. And that's it. They're the kind of breakfast that makes getting out of bed feel worth it.